perfect person to talk to your soul about sin. Of course they booked a Christian for the choir, boy. I'm him. So let's pretend that Jesus you don't admire. Well, you seeking your desires and then leaving the Messiah. Well, listen, the route that you are on, you are leading to the fire. But you already noticed, I'm literally preaching to the choir.
If y'all seeing this, it's too late. Fuck you, and this battle rap need a new face. Hip-hop became a cool race. Niggas acting like Kendrick is God is too fake. What did I miss? Nothing with this new Drake. I
When he get plates, it raises our suspicion. But y'all ain't trying to hear me. I get plates based off my conviction. That's commissary. That's what I even count.
Us poppy niggas was taught different. I could have gave the block salmonella. I came through with raw chickens.
Hey, yo, if he tripping, confidence where we visit. What if we can't find them? Shoot till every tree missing. You telling me a Crip got shot by a horse? Yeah, with a sea biscuit. Hey, yo.
I'm just warming up. This gonna get very scary. I could go to my hood any day. I'm legendary. Super comfortable. I don't got no ops. They all dead already. This battle don't make no goddamn sense. He was talking stupid, thinking he gon' outlandish.
I told you I got charisma, punches, and a flow that's cold. I knew you was losing round one. I just came here so you wouldn't lose your soul.